lady and ward administrator to travel to USA.
Yes.
That is what the document reads.
Yes.
And this is a document from your institution, correct? It's an impressed warrant. You agree? What is the amount stated up there? Apply for?
The amount is 2.6 million.
2.6 million.
Payable to Joyce Kijanjuya, not my wife or my daughter or myself.
Yes, yes, thank you. We've stated what that is. So thank you up to that level, Mr. Governor. So we go next very quickly. There's a letter that you refer to at page 59, volume 10H.
59.
Volume 10H.
You're through with the letter?
Yes, oh, thank you. Thank you, thank you. Thank you for that courtesy.
So, which volume? Next.
Volume 10H, page 59. Yes, that is page 59.
Yes.
Just confirm, Governor, that that is...
This one.
Yes, confirm, Governor, that that letter is dated 23rd November 2020.
Yes.
Yes, and that is a letter that is written by yourself.
My office, yes, signed by myself. Yes.
Signed by yourself. So when was the impeachment motion tabled at the County Assembly?
I think on 26th.
On 26th of December, correct?
Yes.
Yes. So the date of your letter is 23rd, correct?
Yes.
Yes. Was this letter at any point in time copied to the mover of the motion?
No, because it was
not copied.
It was being his own investigation.
It was not copied to him.
Yes.
So that you wrote this letter, not copied to him, and you want to allege that the reason for tabling of the motion was because of this letter.
But he's aware because he was summoned by the DCI. His name appears.
Yes, very well.
Yes.
Very well. So actually, I want to put it to you, Governor, that you wrote this letter after you got wind of the intended impeachment proceedings to blackmail.
I disagree with you because
you
the
disagree.
letter is received.
Okay.
No, the letter is received on the same date.
Yes. Thank you.
And again, also, your client is mentioned in the Auditor General report for swindling the county.
Yes.
3 million and is supposed to refund that money.
Yes. Thank you.
2018, 2019 Auditor General report.
Thank you, Governor. You mentioned something about Janet, who was your former officer.
Yes.
Yes. Of course, of course, unfortunately, refer to her. Yes. Very strong words.
Yes.
But I want to ask you, Governor, do you have any evidence?
Yes.
What is your intervention? There is, Councillor Harrison.
Thank you very much, Mr. Speaker, sir, honourable members. It's just that I noted that the red light is on, and on account of your, Mr. Speaker's assignment to me a strict timeline, I thought the same should apply to him as well. I stuck to your timeline. Honourable members, out of respect and deference to you, I stuck to the timeline. He should.
5 minutes only.
Okay.
I wasn't given 5 minutes.
No, I gave you a lot of latitude, and I've leaned backwards for you on many things.
Yes.
So let me also just execute my duty. Proceed.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. Now, Governor, I want just to establish one thing, whether you understand where the trial of impeachment proceedings takes place, whether it is at the County Assembly or at the Senate.
Come again, please.
Do you know where trial of impeachment proceedings takes place, whether it is in the County Assembly or it is in the Senate?
In both houses. First, it's taken to the...
Do you know where the trial? Do you know what is a trial?
Yes.
So do you know where the trial takes place?
It starts at the Assembly.
It's a?
It starts at the Assembly and ends at the Senate.
The trial. Do you know what is a trial?
Yes.
So do you know where it takes place?
Yes.
Is it at the Senate or at the Assembly?
It starts at the Assembly.
It starts at the Assembly according to you.
Yes.
So what I'm asking you, you asked whether the evidence that has been tendered before here was tendered at the County Assembly. I want you, and in 10 seconds, show me any provision that requires the County Assembly to table evidence at the time of tabling and debating the impeachment motion at the County Assembly.
It is I'm not conversant to the standing order. Give me a minute.
Yes, so do you have...
I have that law somewhere. Just
Yes.
let me get the assembly standing orders.
Yes. Do you have any provision? If you don't have, then we'll move on. Yes.
Standing order number 72-2 of the County Assembly.
Standing order number 72-2.
Yes.
Yes. And kindly just quote the direct part that states that
Okay.
impeachment at the County Assembly must be accompanied by or done by way of evidence. The standing order is here. Do you have? Yes. Just read to me where it says that in impeachment proceedings before the County Assembly, you must table evidence and that a trial takes place at the County Assembly. Are you able to read any of those?
(72)(2).
72-2.
If a member has sufficient reason to convince the Speaker that the member is unable to substantiate the allegations instantly, the Speaker...
My colleague is interfering with the witness.
Oh, this is not 72, sorry.
Yeah, please proceed.
72(2). The person being removed from office shall be availed with the report of the Select Committee together with any other evidence adduced and such note or papers presented to the committee at least 3 days before the date or before the debate on the motion.
Yes. Is there anywhere where it's stated
So
that
I was
an
not
impeachment...
furnished with the evidence even before.
Yes.
Yes.
Does that relate to an impeachment motion? Is there... I asked you about an impeachment proceeding. Do you know that impeachment proceeding is a unique proceeding?
Yeah, it's an impeachment proceeding
Yes.
because the
So-
person being removed from the office, what does that tell you? The person being removed from the office shall be availed with the report of the Select Committee. I'm being removed from the office.
Yes.
Together with any other evidence adduced and such note or papers presented to the committee at least 3 days before the debate on the motion.
Yes, thank you. So,
Did you do that? Yakalan, did they do that?
yes, you confirm that this issue, what you've read relates to select committees and so forth. Confirm that this was not...
And there is 67.7 also. Go to 67.7.
Okay.
67.7 of the same standing orders.
No, it's okay, but you've confirmed the issues you are relating to relate to select committee. Mr. Governor, you also showed us some audio clips of persons with whom you are interacting with.
Yes.
I want to ask you a question.
Yes.
That all of us seated here, would we know who the other person is from that audio clip?
It depends on the authenticity.
I was saying,
there is a certificate of that clip.
Yes.
It is used as evidence in the anti-corruption case.
Yes. From the audio, are we able to know?
Yes.
Okay. Do you have
Names are
monopoly of knowing the voice of each and every person in this country?
Yes.
You have the monopoly.
Yes.
Are you an expert? Are you an expert in voice identification, Mr. Governor? Do you know that is...
There is an officer who had a gadget who was recording that clip, and there's also a certificate. The person who took the clip, there was a certificate that was taken, and I think it was